This is the instructions for the Christmas ornament animated mock-up. Once you've got your file from OneDrive, what you need to do is extract the zip file into somewhere on your hard drive. Once you've done that, you navigate to wherever you saved it, and you should see this ornament PSD and 3 movie files. Now they all need to go into the same place. That's the important thing to mention. Once they're all extracted, open up the Photoshop file. This is what you see to begin with, and if you use this blue marker in the timeline, which you might need to turn on via window, it's there, timeline, make sure that's on. So yeah, this blue indicator shows you the animation. Now to put a design on there, you've got the front or the back to choose first. So what you do is you double click the smart object on this layer, select this layer, double click that, and then step 2 is to double click again this one, and here you can put whatever you want. Basically just file, embedded, and navigate to your design. So let's assume we've just done that. I'll do a slight change. So when you close this, it will say, do you want to save it? It's important to say yes here, and again close this one and say yes here. Yeah, exactly the same process for the backs. So double click once to open this one up, and then double click again, and then file embedded, place embedded, sorry, and then navigate to wherever you've got your designs, plonk it on there. Say yes when you're closing it, say yes again, and then go to this burger menu here, say render video, give it a file name, select a folder where you want to save it. Probably go with all these defaults, but if you want you can use QuickTime if you're on Mac, and away it goes. It'll render it away. Now there are some options here that you might like to use, such as changing the string color. So that's done here. Select the string color layer, double click color overlay, and change that to whatever you want. Exactly the same process for the ornament. Double click the ornament, change that to whatever you want. Give it a red. No, I haven't got this on, so let's just switch the effect on. Now if the colour, you find the colour clashes with your design, it's because the design is set to multiply the front and back, which is fine if you're using the white, but once you start colouring the ornament you want to change that to normal. And now when you scroll through, it all looks sensible. It probably doesn't look so good there because that's white, red on red, but okay, let's undo that. The other thing you might want to change is the background, so just double click the background and then file, place embedded there, exactly the same way as you've done before. And there's the reflections. If you find the reflections are too much, they're here. You can dial them down here and with the opacity level there. And I think that's all there is to say.